Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to
K2M
Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing the new Apple AirPods Pro.
So this is the front of the box. So in the new AirPods Pro, they also come with noise cancellation, and that's one of the differences out of many.
They also are water resistant, but not a lot. Like, I'm pretty sure they're only water resistant for like enough for your like sweating and stuff, not a lot. And they look different. So here's the back, you can see, and the front you see. So we're gonna unbox these. Okay, so let's open it. So over here there's a side tab. Pull that. Now what we're gonna do is open it. First thing you see is designed by Apple in California. Take these out. So over here, first page is how to connect it, and there's also speakers. So in the new Apple AirPods Pro, the stick, you can apply pressure and hold to do different things. So if you press and hold,
it's gonna turn on noise cancellation or turn off.
Yeah, and you can change the ear tips. There's changeable ear tips, and they charge wirelessly. There. Okay, so
and over here we have the AirPods Pro regulations, complaints information. This is it.
They have these two other papers, and they have no stickers. Okay, so now so you take this out, and this is the AirPod Pros. And over here on the bottom, there's something else you can see. So if you pull it up, this comes out, and now here's the changeable ear tips in here, small and large. It comes with the medium ones in there.
And also there's a 1-year manufacturing warranty on the AirPods Pro.
And here's the cable. It's a USB-C to Lightning cable over here. So it goes, it can plug into any of your USB-C hubs and stuff like that. Not hubs, like ports to charge it.
Wallet.
So let's put these back in because I don't think we really need these now. Okay, so let's put this box over here on the side, and let's open these. So we're gonna take off the wrapper. And whoa, these feel smooth. They feel kind of like the old ones. So Ali, can you bring the old AirPods?
Sure.
So Ali's gonna get the old.
So these are the AirPods 2, not the one.
So here's the AirPods 2. They have the wireless charging case, so they're also pretty new. These came out only 6 months after, I think. Not a long time. So I guess we should open this. Just opening this up feels different. It just feels different.
It even sounds different a little.
This is larger, so
wait, do that quick.
Now we're gonna connect it to the phone.
So
let me first unlock it. So let's connect it. Yes, and they're connected now. So we've connected these now, and so over here, here's the now. Let's take these out and try them. So Ali, you can try one. Actually, wait, I'll do both at the same time, so then we can see how the noise cancellation.
And then off with the video. So this one?
Yes. So right now I have transparency mode on, and
so you can hear.
I can hear so much. Wait, so. So we're gonna have transparency. Turn it off. Now say something.
Hello?
So now it's just not normal. So now say something.
Hello?
Now I can barely hear barely hear him at all.
Say something.
Hello? Do you hear the video come?
Yep. Pretty.
So I'm gonna turn transparency mode. So now Ali, so now the mics and the AirPods are bringing them in, so then you can hear it better.
That is loud.
Now put it
it off. Put it in normal. This is normal, isn't it? So this is normal. I would say similar to it's similar to transparency. It feels like transparency, almost the exact.
So both of these look very different. This one works way better and it functions way better and stuff. So Ali, which one do you like? Like in noise, this one's better.
And that one.
But in looks and stuff, which one would you like?
I would say in the case looks this. In the.
They're about the same size, as you can see.
Except for this is a little bit more taller.
They're almost the same size. So these were pretty cool, and we like them a lot.
And
so thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.